Good morning. Today we will discuss about logistic regression. In logistic regression, the outcome variable is binary and the purpose of the analysis is to assess the effects of multiple explanatory variables which can be numerical or categorical on the outcome variable. In this, dependent variable is binary. If we have binary variable, then we have only two options, 1 and 0, 1 for true or success and 0 for false and failure. The goal of logistic regression is to find the best fitting model for independent and dependent variable relationship. Independent variables can be continuous or binary. It is used in machine learning. It deals with probability to measure the relationship between dependent and independent variable. We had earlier talked about linear regression. In linear regression, there is no use of probability, and we use probability criteria in logistic regression because there is no linear relationship between dependent and independent variable. It is used to predict relationship between one dependent variable, that is categorical, and one or more nominal, ordinal or interval independent variable. Dependent variable is categorical only and independent variable will be nominal, ordinal or interval. Form of regression that allows the prediction of discrete variables by a mix of continuous and discrete predictors addresses the same questions that discriminant function analysis and multiple regression do, but with no distributional assumptions on the predictors. The predictors do not have to be normally distributed, linearly related or have equal variance in each group. Now, types of logistic regression. We have four types of logistic regression: binary logistic regression, ordinal logistic regression, nominal logistic regression, and Poisson logistic regression. If we have two categories only, then we will go for binary logistic regression, but characteristics are at two levels. For example, pass or fail, yes or no, high or low. Ordinal logistic regression. In ordinal logistic regression, number of categories are 3 or more. Characteristics are at natural ordering of the levels. For example, medical condition. In medical condition, the natural ordering is critical, serious, stable or good. If we will go for survey results, then the natural ordering is agree, disagree or neutral. In nominal logistic regression also, the number of categories are 3 or more, but characteristics are not as per natural ordering of the levels. For example, color, red, blue, green, yellow, maybe more. Subjects, physics, chemistry, bio, maths or maybe more. If number of categories are 3 or more, we will go for Poisson logistic regression, but characteristics are number of times an event occurs. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. This is the expression of binary logistic regression expression. Here y is the binary dependent variable and the expression is y is equals to b0 plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2 up to bk xk plus e. E is the extra term. If we compare this to the linear regression expression, here e is the error term. Y dependent variable, beta 0 constant, beta 1 coefficient of variable x1, beta 2 coefficient of variable x2, x1 independent variables. Y, when and why binary logistic regression? When the dependent variable is non-parametric and we do not have homoscedasticity, variance of dependent and independent variable are not equal. When the variance are not equal, then we will go for binary logistic regression. It is used when dependent variables has only two levels, like yes or no, male or female, taken or not taken. If multivariate normality is suspected, if we don't have linearity. If we don't have linearity, we will go for logistic regression. Who uses it in plain words? Binary logistic regression can be used in the following situations. A catalog company wants to increase the proportion of mailings that results in sale. A doctor wants to accurately diagnose a possibly cancerous tumor. A loan officer wants to know whether the next customer is likely to default. Using the binary logistic regression procedure, the catalog company can send mailings to the people who are most likely to respond. The doctor can determine whether the tumor is most likely to be benign or malignant, and the loan officer can assess the risk of money failure. Sample size, very small samples have so much sampling errors. Very large sample size decrease the chances of errors. Logistic regression requires larger samples as compared to multiple regression. Hosmer and Lamb show recommended sample size greater than 400 sample size per category of the independent variable. The recommended sample size for each group is at least 10 observations per estimated parameters. Assumptions for logistic regression are no assumptions about the distributions of the predictor variables. Predictors do not have to be normally distributed, does not have to be linearly related, does not have to have equal variance within each group. There should be a minimum number of 20 cases per predictor with a minimum of 60 total cases. These requirements need to be satisfied prior to doing statistical analysis with SPSS, a statistical package for the social sciences. Thank you.